It's Parties from Desanoia, and today we'll be talking about why construction lags so much behind in productivity compared to the other industries. So if you're interested, keep on watching. The construction industry works hard, but for all the labor that goes into building the modern world, the industry has been seeing less and less output over time. Construction productivity levels started similar to that of manufacturing in the past years, but throughout the years, it has fallen behind. Construction is a fascinating industry to look at through the lens of productivity, as it has somewhat deservedly got the reputation as an industry with a high number of inefficiencies. Here is why construction lags behind in productivity and what can be done about it. Inadequate investment in technology. Construction's lagging performance is a cause for concern across the world's economies. While productivity levels in this industry have almost remained flat in the past 25 years, manufacturing productivity has doubled according to research. There are a variety of reasons why productivity in construction is not at the level of other industries, but research shows that one of the main reasons behind it is significantly less investment in technology in this sector compared to others. Customization versus standardization. Construction also faces many challenges when it comes to standardization. For enterprises to do business on a large scale, they're required to replicate their processes, products, and designs across markets. A company producing cars, for instance, doesn't design a completely new product for every country it sells in. This would be too complex and costly. Instead, that company creates only a few different models of their product lines and replicates this design over and over, allowing for mass production. However, for the construction industry, it's near impossible to replicate projects in different regions. Building codes, regulations, costs, and availability of materials, and even clients' project goals and requirements vary significantly depending on location and project, making it far from desired or even possible to apply a single design to projects around the world. As a result, many teams in design and construction create custom designs for each project without the ability to apply all the lessons learned from past projects in new ones. Multidisciplinary teams. While having multidisciplinary teams is a necessary part of delivering any large-scale construction project, not having these teams work under the same umbrella could bring adverse effects on productivity. Diverse teams of architecture, structural, mechanical, electrical, and more coming together to collaborate on a project also means bringing their own set of standards, technologies, and skill sets that aren't necessarily consistent with those of others. This would ultimately make the streamlining process in construction more challenging than it could be for teams working under the same umbrella and leveraging the same set of tools, technologies, and standards. This is less of a challenge for the manufacturing industry, where teams mostly collaborate under the same company, for example in case of Tesla manufacturing cars or Nike delivering shoes. Now let's take a look at strategies to solve the productivity problem in construction. Embrace technology. Embracing new technologies in design and construction is not a choice, it is a business imperative. It can streamline processes, bring efficiency to design and delivery, and even improve worksite safety. Leveraging building information modeling, computational, and generative design can reduce manual tasks in design, documentation, and coordination, saving construction valuable time and money. Rethink design and engineering processes. There is a major opportunity to improve productivity by institutionalizing value engineering into the design process. When there's an opportunity for repeatable and standardized design, companies can take that approach, while when that's not an option, companies can take generative design as a method to bring efficiency in finding the optimum design options and drive mass customization. Synchronized teams. Similar to that of manufacturing, the construction industry could bring all its teams and their operations under the same umbrella. Design-build project delivery is a step towards this synchronized approach. As teams are brought closer to each other in this sector, there will be an increase in productivity as a result of uniform ideas, similar technologies, and consistency in standards. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to share it with someone else who would also find it interesting, and subscribe to get notifications on our next videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.